My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles will contest cases in Texas. A common question that I get from clients, and it's a very good question, is how do I pay for a lawyer in a will contest? And this is important for someone who's contesting a will or someone who's defending a will. Will contests can be very expensive. There's two ways typically the lawyers get paid. First is on an hourly basis. The lawyer simply keeps their time and sends monthly invoices for the time that they've worked. Typically, there would be a retainer payment up front of typically $10,000 to $20,000, $30,000 up front to at least secure the lawyer's services, and the lawyer will bill against that retainer. But once it's used up, then the client will be paying the lawyer's invoices every month. Also, there is an alternative arrangement called a contingency fee arrangement, and that's where the client does not pay legal fees up front or every month. Instead, the lawyer only gets paid if there is a recovery. That's most commonly found when someone's contesting a will, but occasionally such an arrangement can be found when someone's defending a will, particularly if there's a will contest before the will is admitted to probate and before the executor has assets to the funds of the estate. They may not be able to pay a lawyer by the hour, and so the lawyer has to work on a contingency fee basis. I would say over half of the cases that I work on are on a contingency fee basis, but it really depends on the circumstances of the case, the resources available to the client, and the amount of the assets that are in dispute. And sometimes some lawyers will not work on a contingency fee basis. Some lawyers will only work on an hourly basis. I find it convenient for clients to offer them both fee options, an hourly or a contingent. And sometimes it makes sense to offer a hybrid fee arrangement where I potentially may cut my hourly rate in half and then work on a reduced contingency fee percentage. As long as the agreement is ethical, it's disclosed to the client, there are various ways that an attorney and a client can work together to come to a fair and reasonable fee agreement. If you're facing a will contest, either you want to contest a will or if someone is contesting a will that you're benefiting from, please give me a call.